Now that we have both the dividends and transactions data correctly formatted, we want to combine both datasets so that we'll have all the metrics necessary for calculating the credit default swaps. Trifacta provides a join tool for just that. I'll scroll down the list of possible transformations and choose the join tool, and I want to combine my dividend dataset with the transactions dataset. If I click on the join keys, you can see that Trifacta inferred the best columns to join on. In addition to the broker, I want to join on the currency, so I'll press this plus sign, and Trifacta has added the second condition that I want. I'll highlight the columns that I want to keep and add this to my recipe. The SEC is very precise in calculating the credit default swap. We will now apply these calculations to the combined dataset from our transactions and dividends data. In the interest of time, I've already created the credit default swap calculations, but if we look at our recipe, you'll see that it clearly defines each transformation step that we have built. This gives us the confidence we need to apply the recipe again and again to each new future dataset, giving us a repeatable and auditable result. If we find any mistakes, we can easily modify the rules without relying on an army of data engineers. We can also present our process to an auditor who will be able to see how we have generated our results. The next step is to validate our data at scale. You can imagine if the datasets contain millions of rows, traditional methods would get bogged down and sluggish, or would completely crash. This is where we can leverage the power of Hadoop to apply these transformations to datasets of any size. Additionally, Trifacta provides a dashboard that helps users validate their results. You can see the data quality on the whole dataset and on individual columns. When the data is deemed valid, we can then publish the results to a Hive table and automate the entire process to save us enormous amounts of time and resources in the future.